Good afternoon, this is Sean Taylor with Silver Creek Realty Group. I want to introduce you to my new listing, and as we get there, we're passing the Boise Ranch Golf Course, and then we have the private soccer complex over here on our right. And if you look right over there, the big blue house, that's the subject property that backs up, no rear neighbors, beautiful mountain views. Great part of town, right off of Lake Hazel and Eagle Road is the next light up there. Right down Eagle Road, you've got the new Albertsons. The YMCA is about a little over a mile away, close to the freeway. So as we head in here, this is Orchard Creek. This was developed by Toll Brothers / Coleman Homes at the time. And you'll notice the kind of green belt area here, little pond area to walk. There's a park down there too, I believe. Oh, I'm sorry, that's right up here. So you've got the community pool on the left here. A little pool house right there. So there's the pool. And the subject property, we'll head back to the east here. Notice that there's not a lot of cars on the street. I love that. Nice wide streets here. Great pride of ownership. And there's the subject property right on our far right, that beautiful blue home there. Oops, it's the next one. My mistake there. The next beautiful blue house. We've got the community mailboxes over here on my right. And here's our subject property, 6292. Astoria. All right, let's get a closer look. Good afternoon, this is Sean Taylor with Silver Creek Realty Group, and I wanted to welcome you to 6292 South Astoria Avenue in Meridian, just south of the freeway, close to new shopping at the Albertsons, by the YMCA, mini parks, and backs up to the huge soccer field. This house was built in 2020, custom built by Coleman Homes, aka Toll Brothers now, and it has a super functional floor plan with, it could either be 6 bedrooms, 3 bath, or 5 bedrooms with a bonus, or an office. There's an office on the main plus 4 bedrooms upstairs and a bonus. It has the tandem garage, pardon me, which is 20 by 21 on the main garage, and then it's got an additional 25 deep by 10, which is pretty sensational. Very modern coloring here on the house. Notice the extended concrete going almost nearly all the way out to the side of the house to provide lots of parking out here. Lots of parking out here. Notice there aren't a ton of cars out here. There's a community pool house, playground, etc., which you can see in all the photos. Take you up to the front of the house. Notice the different styles of siding also. So you've got the lateral here, kind of the shiplap look here, and then the vertical. Nice covered front patio with rain gutters. And it's got the extenders out as well, which is a great idea to keep water away from your home. Okay, let's go inside and take a look. One more thing, nice tall front door as well. Kind of the standard door goes to about right here. So you've got a nice tall door here. Okay, so entering inside now. First thing you'll notice are the beautiful laminate flooring in here. The 9-foot ceilings. And notice that it's got the Sun Valley texturing throughout the house. Very modern, two-tone paint with the nice tall trim. And before we go into the family room and kitchen, immediately off on the right is bedroom number 6, or the office, right here. Very spacious. Notice you've got the full wood wrap windows and nice big windows too. Nice and big. This is the Murphy bed that the seller's willing to sell outside of closing. It's got the slider closet in here. Notice the 5-panel doors, very modern, which is nice. And then you've got the bathroom here with the granite countertop, elongated toilet, vinyl sheet flooring, and tub shower combo. Okay, so here in the hallway, you also have a coat closet / storage area. This house has just tons of storage. And notice how tall the ceiling is in there, and it wraps around underneath the staircase that goes up here. And we go into the family room, which is huge, has the gas fireplace. One of the upgrades they did was taking the stone all the way to the ceiling, and the nice wood, kind of propeller blade type of ceiling fan in here. You've got the huge windows here. So you notice the spacious backyard. And the coolest part are just these amazing mountain views. Got the whole Bogus Mountain range there. And there's no rear neighbors because you've got this private soccer field behind you here. It's numerous fields. It's a soccer club. The lot here is 0.15 acres, but it just feels much larger because the house kind of sits forward. Then you've got the amazing kitchen with super tall cabinets, tons of counter space. I ask my clients to count count cabinets, and you've just got so many cabinets in this kitchen. It's almost like you don't even need a pantry in this one. You've got the full tile backsplash. All the handles are on there. You've got the gas cooktop here, which is a Whirlpool, stainless steel, nice deep sink here, and again, the granite in here. Double oven, microwave. Got the little mud room over here. That piece of furniture is also for sale. It kind of fits there perfectly. Like I said, lots of counter space. Also plenty of dining space here. So as you can see, this table has the leaf in it, and you can sit 6 people at it easily. Pardon me, but you could also extend this table out in either direction and still have plenty of space. And then you've got the pantry here. So one more look in here. Again, you've got the 9-foot ceiling, lots of recessed can lighting in here, and the drop pennant lighting as well over the island. And just lots of light. Oversized windows, again, capturing the view. I'll go ahead and take you out onto the back porch here. So you've got a 10 by 20 covered patio with can lighting, vinyl fencing that's also that cool stain there, perimeter bark all the way around it, which is the lava rock. And the current owners added this in, so additional concrete out here. I've got the measurements, which are extra 20 by 10 here, and then they extended it out on this side as well, an additional 10 by 7. So it just keeps it nice and low maintenance. And notice that there's a man door off of the garage as well. Online you can see the complete floor plan. Sometimes on video I'm walking too fast or whatever and it's hard to tell, but go online and take a look at the whole floor plan. Lots of storage space in this house as well, especially upstairs. Speaking of which, we're gonna head up there now. Okay, so heading upstairs, you'll notice that they've got casing in here, which is really nice. A lot of builders don't do that. You've got a cap on the rail here, which is also nice. Flat panel electrical throughout the house. Lots of recessed can lighting up here as well. So you've got this little loft area, perfect spot for a desk here. And it just keeps it feeling more open. A lot of times you come in and you've got this 4-foot hallway here and you feel cramped. So immediately off to my right, we have the master bedroom. Oops, I meant primary. It's 14 by 14. This is a king size bed. As you can see, they've got the windows perfectly placed here. And you have truly magnificent view from up here of the mountain range. Boise Ranch golf course over there. And Albertson's about a mile away as well. Pardon me. Again, full wrap windows, added barn door here for privacy in the bathroom. We've got the huge soaker tub with a beautiful gray tile. Kind of the chrome faucets here. Huge window, which there's no neighbor looking in, so you don't even need blinds there. Then you've got the separate shower unit here with the rain glass. Private commode, again with elongated toilet, more windows. Again, full wood wrap. And this takes you into the very spacious closet. And the owner put in these custom built-in storage in here. Drawers. Plenty of room for all your clothes. Then we've got the dual sinks in here, granite as well, and the chrome fixtures. Full-length mirror. I'm trying to stay out of it for your safety. And got the laundry facility here. Nice and spacious. The shelf up here. Again, another window. Next bedroom. Ceiling fans added. Approximately 10 by 10 here. Sliders into the closet. Next bedroom here. I think this one's 10 by 10 as well. Again, captures the great view out of this window. Get the idea. Great view house. Then you can see the yard really well here. Kind of sinks back in here, which is nice. Then you've got additional storage space here. Raised vanity and the guest bath, and look at all that counter space. Pretty amazing. Full length mirror here, another window, another elongated toilet, shower tub combo. And we're getting to one of my favorite spots of the house. There's a really big bedroom here. Again, ceiling fan, room for the bunk beds and more. And this one has a walk-in closet. Very spacious. And last but not least is bedroom number 6, or the bonus room. Well, let me show you this first. So here we have this huge closet as well. Lots of room for games or whatever you want to store in here. Bedroom number 6. This room is, I think it's 15 by 15 or 15 by 14. Just a really nice spacious room. Make a good TV room, in-law quarters. If you have a lot of people living with you, there's plenty of space. There also has a walk-in closet, more can lighting. And again, just great trim, carpet's in great condition, paint's in great condition. Overall, just a beautiful house. So thank you for viewing. If you have any questions, call me, Sean Taylor, 208-340-0000, or talk to your agent and see if we can't schedule you a showing.